Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the cattle and barren app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The carrot and barren app makes home shopping simple and inspiring with features like AR view in your room to preview furniture, easy watch list and registry tools, barcode scanning install, and a quick checkout with pickup or delivery options. It's especially handy for wedding, baby registries, or anyone redecorating who wants to browse and buy seamlessly with their phones. That said, the app isn't perfect. User reports registry glitches where items don't always update correctly, landing to duplicate, and some checkout or payment bulk can be frustrating. Search could also be smarter for finding specific product. Overall, the carrot barren app is worth using if you want a convenient and a design inspiration on the go, but it has a few rough edges. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.